Hey, Hennapreneur community, I'm coming in to let y'all know that I signed up for that financial course with goal setting with Chelsea, and I got all the goal planning and finance tea. Okay. Y'all missed out if you didn't join. I mean, you seriously did. One thing I love about Chelsea, not only do she have workshops and courses, online courses, all these things, and has the knowledge, but she goes out her way to create workbooks, worksheets, formulas for us to apply to our businesses and make it easier. For example, during that financial goal setting workshop, she literally created a whole spreadsheet with several different tabs, one for goal setting, one for mapping out how much you need to make each quarter, and it'll literally go in and tell you how much you need to make each week, or when you plug in that number, it'll tell you how much you have left to make this week in order to reach your goal, those type of things. And I love that because she's just making it easier for us. And that's why I think she is so amazing and so worth it, because when she said get your pen, like before the class started, she sent us an email saying you need a pen and paper and your calculator because we're going to crunch numbers. And like, I am going back to college. I immediately thought about trigonometry. And y'all, I took math courses in college for the fun of it. That's how much I love math. To me, it's like a puzzle in a game. But when it comes to finances, it can overwhelm me too sometimes. But she literally created a worksheet to where all you have to do is plug in your number. And when I say plug in your number, your goal, what you want to hit for that year, and it kind of does the rest, you know? I'm not saying it's like, oh, you plug in your number and then you don't do anything. Now, don't get me wrong, but you plug in that number and then you see what you need to do in order to reach that goal. And then as you're going through the year, you're putting in all your stuff, and it's just calculating it for you. And I absolutely love it because I came to actually crunch numbers way more than we did. And she really did a lot of the work for us ahead of time. And not only did she do all the work for us, she gave us the reason behind why we need to do certain things and why it's not good enough just to say, hey, I want to reach this number and don't come up with a plan for it. And I loved it. So if you didn't go, you missed out. If she does another one for 2022, do it. I highly recommend it. I'm excited about 2021. I'm looking forward to the future with my business. It's a lot of things that make me uncomfortable, but in a good way. So I just want to jump in and say that, you guys, because that class really blessed my soul, and I look forward to adding more things to it tonight and before Christmas. All right, later.